Hi, my name is Dave, and today we're going to take a look at three different tripods. These are tripods designed for Unitron telescopes. This one is actually made by Unitron, so is this one. Despite the fact that it's a folding leg, it is a very unusual 4-inch telescope tripod made with folding legs. You don't see many of those. And this one, although it's not a Unitron, it is made by me, and it's designed to fit with Unitron. So we'll take a look at these three tripods, compare and contrast them. Okay, let's take a close look at this tripod first. This is a Unitron tripod designed for the 160 telescope, 4-inch telescope with the clock drive. This kind of a tripod, this spreader, is much more stable than the usual spreader that comes with that you'll see on a lot of 4-inch Unitrons. The usual spreader looks a lot like this, and the reason it's less stable is because of this device right here. This is just a clip, and it's spring loaded. Very easy for this spring to become unlatched and that thing to slip up on you. So it's not as stable as this, which has a bolt. There's a bolt going right through there. So it's nice and stable. Very little chance of that thing coming apart. Okay, here we have a close-up of the folding leg, and it's very unusual to see a folding leg on a 4-inch Unitron. You see them all the time on the smaller ones, but the 4-inch Unitron, this is the I'll show you how this works, this kind of butterfly thing here. I'll show you how that works. I don't want to do that now with it all put together. And this is my sort of replica, not quite a full replica. You can see that I didn't quite do the butterfly type system here. I did something a little bit more simple. So it can be folded up, but it's not really designed to be folded up. It is nice that you can adjust this. If I wanted to, I could drill some more holes and adjust this to be a shorter tripod if I wanted to. But it does have the nice feature of the 160, that it's got the fixed kind of a spreader here like so, which is attached with bolts like that, and it is much more stable. And it was quite a bit of work to make that. It was a surprising amount of work to construct that and put it all together. Let me show you how these folding legs work. These are from a Unitron, or more precisely from a Polarex. And I'm not sure if Unitron here in the United States ever sold these quite like this. Maybe not, maybe that's why they're so rare here. Anyway, it's folding legs, very much like the smaller Unitron. It's got this interesting butterfly device here. Turn that, loosen this, and it folds right up, as you can see. And of course you're going to want to tighten it down just so it doesn't go anywhere. Now you have a nice convenient telescope leg, much shorter. I found that in fact my replica works pretty well in that way also. As you can see, it's not quite the same. I don't have a butterfly. Just got a through bolt here. Remove that through bolt, loosen all this stuff up, boom. You can even store the bolt here. So admittedly there's a little more hardware to keep track of, but basically it performs the same function. I hope you've enjoyed my tour of these three Unitron tripods. Thank you very much.